How are you?
I'm very good, thank you. I'm very good. And how are you today?
I'm good, so good.
So,
Very
my
good.
name's Henry. What's your name?
And my name is Noor Mohammed. I'm from South India.
Nice to meet you. And are you having a good day today so far?
Sorry?
I said, are you having a good day today?
Yeah.
And I can see that you've got a lesson up for today. Do you want to do that or do you just want a conversation?
I just want conversation today.
Okay, that's fine. I will close
How
it.
is today?
Sorry?
How is today?
Um, Today it's going well. It's still quite early. It's not quite lunchtime with me, so it's still an early day for me. What have you been
Are you?
doing today?
Yeah, so good. Going on. It's very hot. The
Is it?
temperature. Right now from UK, you from?
Yes, yes. I'm from the south of England, a place called Brighton.
Right.
But like you, I now live abroad, so I'm now in Bulgaria.
You are in Bulgaria, in Europe.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
What are you doing there?
I am a pet sitter, so I look after people's houses and pets when they go on holiday. So where I am now, they are on holiday for 3 months. So I'm here looking after their pets for 3 months.
Yeah. How is the corona pandemic in your city now living there?
Here in Bulgaria, it's not too bad actually. I think there's about 5,000 total cases, so not a huge number. We have to wear face masks on public transport
Mhm.
and shops, but that's about it. What about in Dubai? What's it like there?
Yeah, now it's better. Where is the Bulgaria in the middle of the Europe or
Eastern
not
Europe, it's next to Turkey.
next to Turkey, nearby
Yeah.
Turkey, Turkey and Russia?
Yeah, yeah. So you have Turkey, you have Greece, and then Bulgaria is here, just above them.
Yeah. How long you stay there in Bulgaria? 3 months.
I will be here for 3 months. I've been here for about 3 weeks so far, so
Yeah.
still quite new in Bulgaria.
Next plan, you travel to back to London or
No, after here, I believe we are going to Greece. So
Greece? You are a traveler.
yes, yes, always traveling, never staying
What's your
still.
What's your favorite place so far?
Um, I think probably my favorite place is Italy. I really
Italy.
liked Italy. Have you
Which
done?
city in Italy?
Sorry.
Which city you living in Italy?
We were in the countryside, but we were near to Florence in
Florence. You
Tuscany.
like a mountain or beach side? You like the
We were up in the mountains,
mountain?
and I like being up in the mountains and in the countryside,
Yeah.
but the beach is
Mm,
also nice.
yeah. You have
Would-
been visited in India?
I've never been to India, no. I would like to, but not yet. It's quite a long way from the UK, so I'm traveling that way slowly.
Yeah.
How about
How
England?
many
Have
days
you been
you
to
travel?
England?
No, I will try. I will plan to.
Have you been to any other countries?
No, I am now in Middle East only, Dubai.
Oh, okay. So is
How
Dubai
many
better
countries?
than India?
Sorry?
Is Dubai nicer than India?
Yeah, a very hot in temperature.
Did you say my picture had frozen?
Even your education is the serving the which you completed in master degree of
I did astrophysics degree.
astrophysics.
Yes.
You change the line the in teacher line after.
Yes. Well, after I did my degree, I became an accountant, and I spent many
Yeah,
years doing that. I've
accountant.
only
If physics, you change to accounts and back to education. Why are you like it?
Um, I didn't like being an accountant, but I like being a teacher. It also allows me to travel, which being an accountant didn't. But I've done many different careers. What about you? What did you do at university?
I finished the commerce.
Okay. And did you choose that because you wanted to have your job, or why did you choose to do that as a degree?
Same like you. I changed. I checked the job. I got the in administration field. Now doing that.
Coronavirus situation back home where you come from in India, is it a bad situation at the moment there?
Yeah, now is very bad. Number is going a rise in India, above 8 lakh each. It's too much. The poor people and the middle class people is suffering. They're surveying. No job, nothing there. Very difficult.
Yeah. And you mentioned about the job. Has the virus affected your job at all?
No, here in no problem. Nothing is going on. Some people is lose the job. Some companies closed.
Yeah.
In if it is going smoothly.
Okay, so you have been very lucky. And then why are you learning English?
Just I love the language I learning. I when you travel, meet the people.
Okay, it's not something you need for your job or anything then.
No, nothing. I want to speak the fluently. I confidently. My
Okay.
conversation.
Now, I obvious.
How to build?
Sorry.
Yeah, how to build up the vocabulary? The, I'm asking to you.
I think I always say that you need to open yourself to as much language as possible. So books is good. Also things like the news. If you can watch things online, so you can see people talking, whether it's videos on YouTube or things like Cambly where you're having a conversation, watching things on Netflix, these kind of things. So you're doing listening practice, you're doing reading practice, and you're doing speaking practice. Like they're the best ways to do it. So you can get language of teachers like me, or you can find the language yourself by other means.
How many languages you have now?
To have a conversation like this, only English.
Yeah.
But I can order coffee in 9 languages.
9. Wow.
But that's only to say, can I have a coffee, please? That's it. Like I could not have a conversation in those 9.
Yes.
It's difficult to get to that level when you're always traveling and having to learn a new language.
Yeah, the traveling is best.
It's
We will
also
know the
a good way to improve.
foreign language and meet the peoples, the cultures.
Yes,
Everything will be learned.
yes. To go to a country and use it in that country is always a good way to improve.
Okay, time will be finished, I think.
Oh, we're out of time. Yes, it was nice to
Yeah,
meet you.
nice to meet you. Great.